Welcome to our demo video on how to complete the organization-based KYC process on the eMudhra portal if the applicant and the authorized signatory are the same. Let's get started. Visit our website emudhradigital.com. Select the user type as organization, certificate type, and validity that is required. Click on By Certificate. You will then be redirected to a browser page where you will need to log in as the applicant. Enter mobile number under Buy or Renew Digital Signature Certificates as a new user. Click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the same and click on Authenticate and proceed. Please note, the number used in this step will be considered for the KYC account that will be created. For this video, we will be selecting the government organization without GST, where applicant and authorized signatory are same. Now, click on the checkbox available below GSTIN number field and select the organization type. Next, enter your organization name, PIN code, and click on Proceed. Select the checkbox stating GSTIN is not applicable or available. Enter the address. Click on Next. Now, under Authorized Signatory Details, select the checkbox stating I am also the applicant since both are same. Enter the signatory PAN number and click on Proceed. Enter the applicant name, organization, unit or department to which the signatory belongs. Employee ID. If employee ID is not available, you may select the checkbox below. Enter the date of birth and select the gender. Enter the email ID and click on Next. Now it's time to upload your documents. Start by uploading your photo in JPG format, followed by a copy of authorized signatory proof in PDF format and ID proof of the authorized signatory in PDF format as well. Once everything is uploaded, click on Submit. Upon successful submission, you will receive an application ID and you may proceed to complete the credentials setup steps. Create a unique username and a user PIN of 6 characters. Click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered email ID that will be given over the email ID field. Please note, if you want to change the email ID, the same can be done in the above steps. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. You will then be redirected to the video verification page where the video needs to be completed within 45 seconds. Now, click on Start Recording to start the verification and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am Pooja, applied for DSC with eMudhra. 104 is the code for the video. This is my authorization letter and this is my ID proof. Once you have shown all the necessary documents, click on Stop Recording. Now, you can preview the video to ensure that both the video and audio have been captured properly. If everything is correct, click on Submit, and if not, click on Record Again to redo the process. Once the video recording is completed, you will be redirected to the payment page where you will be required to complete the payment for the digital signature certificate. Your billing details, like your email ID, address, will be automatically fetched in the required field. Enter GSTIN details if available, and if not, select No. Now click on Proceed to pay. After the payment is completed, the application will be validated by eMudhra within 30 minutes, after which you need to sign the e-sign agreement. Upon successful validation and approval from eMudhra, you will receive an email containing a link to complete the subscriber agreement. Click on Login and e-sign subscriber agreement option. Under Track or download your digital signature certificate, enter the username and PIN created during the application process and click on Login. Enter the registered mobile number and click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP and select the consent. Next, click on Validate. Under Track and Expedite, click on the Verify e-sign option, which will redirect you to the e-sign agreement. Go through the e-sign agreement, click on the consent, and select Agree and e-sign option. This will redirect you to the next page where you can check and download the application form. Also, set the challenge code or the download password, which will be used for downloading the digital signature certificate. Thank you for watching.